Hello again, students. This is Farmer Tim. So I just watered. All the tomato plants we put in the ground this week are doing beautifully. I'm going to keep building the soil. I'm going to keep putting up trellises. So here's our 25 tomato plants. And you can see the ground is wet. I just watered them a couple minutes ago. That all soaked in. So we have 5 rows of tomatoes. And then all the little chili plants also have made it. There's one that still looks a little bit punky, but I think I'm just going to keep watering that one extra and hope that it makes it and not have to replace it. So there are now 6 rows of 8 chili plants. You can see I just watered them all too, so they're all pretty happy. It was a little bit chilly for them this morning, but it's going to start warming up this weekend. So here's all 6 rows of 8 different cocoa plants. And these are the special ones I went out and bought to get some really super hot ones to make other people happy. I don't need hot chilies, but I know that people love them here. So let me see if I can kind of show back. Yeah, there's all the rows looking back. Oh, I can go to the last one, huh? So that filled in a lot of space in this garden. I think there's still going to be room for some corn, and I want to put cucumbers up by the fence, and next week, hopefully I'll get a lot more stuff planted in here and start raking it out and make it a little smoother, and then mulch the pathways and get tomato cages up. So hopefully when you guys get back, there's going to be some great garden food here ready for you to see and enjoy and eat in the garden and take home to feed your families. I hope you're still reading over break, and thanks, bye. I'll see you soon, hopefully.